Hi, I'm Nigel from Sustainable Innovation Initiatives. We enable scientific, educational, and cultural exchange for ecosystem regeneration and biodiversity conservation by building partnerships across communities. We are thrilled to support the Nurture Nature campaign, which addresses harmful effects of wildlife trade by bringing diverse groups together to present informed choices for humans and animals. The campaign launches in Trinidad and Tobago on January 18th. Visit their website at www.nurturenatureTT.org and follow them on Facebook and Instagram.